Okay, kato nag...
Okay, history sa P. Plong-plong, huli siya. So F. Plong-plong ako di P. So wala siya.
Wala siya si P.
Actually, hindi ko happy of the band. Nag-organize lang.
Pero mas higher level na lang siya na organizer. O sige, let's give it time.
John Ryan Apologo. That's all day after room. So I work here sa Damawa Baptist Hospital.
Number.
0918-319. Okay, next in line. Si Robert.
I'm Castor Divino.
I'm Cheryl Godinato from Ramos Church.
Ang number namin open kay restricted. Kanay guard siya.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sheena Maker Sama from Somewhere You Don't Know.
Regulars from Tiga City.
Good afternoon and happy Sabbath, everyone. I'm Uli Magadan from Lukla City.
Hi, happy Sabbath to everyone. I'm Jen B. Bayeta, Diri ko nag-work hapon, then from Ramos Church to Diri.
Okay, so actually, friends and brothers and sisters, we're just friends na kauban mi sa atin kapil sa una, itong director, si Monroe Ortizano, okay lang, mo sa iya. And then, atong uban, atong enthusiast na din yung kanta, so we gathered and actually wala kami na isod kayo may tapupon kay almost all of us nasa medical institution at work, so wala naman shifting. So sorry guys sa uban na nakalungog na sa mong kanta prior to this event. So